AI is evolving at lightning speed, and today, we have two of the most powerful AI models battling it out. DeepSeek versus ChatGPT-5. Hi, I am Emily, and welcome back to AIChief. DeepSeek versus ChatGPT-5. Which one is the smartest? Which one should you use? Let's break it down. Imagine an AI that thinks like a researcher versus one that talks like a human. Who wins? Stay tuned. 1. DeepSeek AI. The research genius, DeepSeek AI is built for precision, logic, and deep analysis. It excels in research, problem-solving, and data-driven tasks. DeepSeek is best for academic research, coding and technical tasks, deep analysis, and logical reasoning. 2. ChatGPT-5. The conversational powerhouse, ChatGPT-5 is OpenAI's most advanced model, designed for creativity, conversation, and even image and voice processing. Why people love ChatGPT-5? Because it is best for content creation, feels like talking to a real person, understands images and voice prompts. DeepSeek versus ChatGPT-5. Which one is for you? DeepSeek AI is your go-to for knowledge, logic, and technical expertise. But if you want AI that is creative, conversational, and fun to use, student writing a research paper? DeepSeek is perfect. A YouTube creator needing engaging scripts? ChatGPT-5 is your best bet. Programmer debugging code? DeepSeek gets the job done. A business writing marketing copy? ChatGPT-5 is your AI partner. So the real question is, do you need an AI that is precise and factual, or one that is creative and expressive? Whatever your choice, AI is shaping the future, and you need to stay ahead. Before you go, do not forget to subscribe to AIChief for more AI battles, insights, and tech updates.